you guys the bathroom. But before we start any of that, I do want to point out these two doors. This is just a laundry and this is just a closet. But now I want to show you guys the bathroom. Stay tuned to the end of this video because I am doing a giveaway. So be sure to watch to the end so you can figure out how to enter that giveaway. Now let's go into the bathroom. All right, so this is my bathroom, guys. I do want to mention that I switched out a lot of stuff in here, like a lot. I'll go through everything that I have switched out. I'll start off with my bathroom pendant lights. I switched those out because the ones that I had before were ugly. As far as the lights go, if you notice, I have a motion sensor switch that I also installed. I switched that as well. I'll talk more about that in the smart home video, but I switched out my light switch to a motion sensor. So anytime I come in the bathroom, the lights come on automatically. I switched over everything to black matte hardware. I really like that aesthetic and I really like how it looks. The only thing I didn't switch out was my shower, which is what everything else looks like. Trust me, I would have had I found something that I actually liked. These are my cabinets. The cabinets, I switched out all the drawer pulls. That's the easy thing that you can do when you move into an apartment. You can switch out the drawer pulls, keep the old ones in a baggie and keep them stored away, but add some personality, add your own touch into your space. And here's where you might think I'm crazy, okay? I switched out my faucet by myself because the other one was atrocious and it needed to match the rest of my black hardware, so I switched out my faucet by myself. I couldn't find the tray that I liked for my soap and my candles, so this is actually a frame from IKEA. It is a 5x7 frame. It fit everything in here nice and snuggly. Think outside the box. Not everything is what it's intended to be. I have just a black matte vase, probably from Home Goods, I don't know. And the frame here is from IKEA. It had, when I purchased it originally, it had black flowers, black and white flowers. That's not my vibe. I don't have pictures of flowers around here, so I switched it out to a more minimalist Scandinavian print. I might switch it out again in the future, who knows? That's what I love about buying cheaper things, because you have the ability to update them and switch things out. Over here, this is another A. This is the third A that I have in my apartment. I had another one that used to sit here, so I technically have, I think I have like 6 A's, but I have 4 functioning ones right now. This is just, you know, so I can listen to my podcast while I'm in the shower, listen to the news, play some music. Down here, I keep these wooden bins. I have a bin full of washcloths. I'm really big on switching out your washcloths either every day or every other day. So I have about like 40 or so, okay, that I go through. Moving over here to the bathtub. So it's just a regular bathtub. What I do encourage is buying a rug that can be washed. I really love this rug because it doesn't have rubber on it and it's very easy to wash and maintain and to keep it white. This bath caddy, this bath tray, actually stays here every single day. And when I'm about to shower, I just pick it up and put it over here. But believe it or not, that actually stays there. Over here, I switched out my towel racks. I had silver towel racks here, same finish as the shower, but I switched them to matte black to stay cohesive. These towels are for decoration. These towels are also for decoration. These shelves, I believe I got it from Amazon. Again, I can't remember, but I'll link it below and we'll figure it out together. These Q-tips, black Q-tips are such a vibe. I keep my shampoo and conditioner in these black bottles here, but I don't really like the bottles that come with stuff, so I usually change everything out. I keep my toilet tissue, and usually I try and keep it in the stack of 3, air freshener, face pads, and again, more washcloths that are decoration only. The washcloths that I give everyone are in that bucket over there. These are for decoration. So the reason why I say that the towels are decorations is because usually I keep hand towels in here in this acrylic container. As of now, the world around me seems to be out of hand paper towels in this length. My toilet paper holder, and I have another hook behind my door, is all matte black as well. So that is the bathroom. Now let's go check out my bedroom. I'm gonna take you guys into my bedroom. Like I mentioned before, it's a little bit of a different vibe than the rest of my space. Still what I consider in the minimalist Scandinavian, slightly boho category. I do want to take a little bit of a walk down memory lane because my bedroom has transformed over the years. Throughout the bedroom designs that I've had over the years, this one is definitely my favorite, and I would like to say that it has definitely evolved. So let's go into the bedroom. Welcome to my bedroom. I guess we'll start over here with the dresser. I made a video already about how I DIY'd this dresser. It was an extremely frustrating project, but this is how it turned out. I'll be sure to link that video here so you guys can watch that if you missed it. So this dresser here is from IKEA, but it is customized by moi. So I made this little flower arrangement up here, giving you a little bit of the Boho-esque vibes. Over here, I keep my Homebody book by Joanna Gaines. I love her. And a glass box where I keep my glasses, my sunglasses, and some jewelry accessories. And over here, I really love how this turned out. I got this tray from, where else? The dollar spot at Target. And it was not $1, but it was $5. But I just paired it with my vase that I had out in my living room. Make sure you guys shop your home. It's super important. You don't always have to spend money. Move things around in your spaces and it seems like it's brand new all over again. So this was from my TV console in the living room. I moved it in here, and this candle I picked up from TJ MAXX. This plant over here is from Target. I don't know how I feel about it. It's been here for a couple months and I still don't know how I feel about it. So that's that. Over on this wall, I also did a video about how I DIY'd this gallery wall with all Dollar Tree products. Each of the frames cost me $1, so all 9 frames cost me $9. And if you guys want to know exactly how I did this, make sure to check that video out as well. So when I got into this apartment, I didn't really like how this space was set up because I almost felt like this wall was unnecessary and they could have pushed it back, but you know, you work with what you can. I had really no idea what I was going to do with this little alcove area, and fortunately enough for me, this desk fit perfectly in this alcove. So this is where I work. I work from home most of the time, you know, panorama. So I work from home a lot of the time. If you guys have questions about what I do for a full-time job, maybe I'll do a Q&A about that one day. But right now, this is my work desk area. The desk is from IKEA. I keep another A. I have my iMac, keyboard accessories, plants, lamp from IKEA. All right, and this is the part that you guys see most of the time in most of my shots, most of my videos. This is my bed. The bed is from Wayfair, and I got these matching nightstands. They're actually not matching, but they looked close enough to me when I bought them offline. Those are from Amazon. The bed is from Wayfair. And some of you guys have asked questions about these nightstand lights. I included 2 nightstand lamps from Amazon. And what I love most about this is that they have wireless charging pads on the base, and they also have USB outlets on the side. So I don't always use the wireless pad as often as I should, you know, decompressing at night, but it is an option available. And I do love that I can just hook up my iPhone to the side of the USB ports. Again, I mentioned that those the light bulbs inside are Philips Hue, so be sure to check that video out as well. Okay, and finally, I'm a New Yorker. I'm a New York girl, born and raised, so obviously I had to put an appreciation for New York up here. Oh, so as far as the bedding, the pillows are from HomeGoods, Amazon. The duvet cover is from IKEA, and this little blanket is from Amazon. You know, continuing on with the black accents in the room. And then over here, I just keep my laundry basket that actually has laundry in it because, you know, this is a realistic video. All right, so over here is just my little seating area. I'm not gonna lie, a lot of the time it's covered in clothes because I hate doing laundry. I hate folding laundry, I should say. I can do laundry easily, but it'll mostly sit here. But I cleaned it all for you guys, and this is where you would normally sit and relax. Also, it's a storage unit, so I keep a lot of my high heels, which I really haven't worn in a very long time. I'll explain this more in my home automation video, but I have this nest here. I have one in the living room as well. I was not very happy with where they put it because it did not allow me to center my mirror, so I had to off-center the mirror and then off-center the storage unit. So this mirror is from IKEA, and the pillows from Wayfair, and the storage trunk is from Walmart. I pretty much showed you guys my entire space. I hope I didn't disappoint I hope you guys like my style. So like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we're doing a giveaway for 5,000 subscribers. And of course, if you know me by now, you would know that I love Target. So in honor of 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away a $50 gift card to one lucky subscriber. Just make sure you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and also leave me a comment below about your favorite thing that you've seen, either in my bedroom tour, bathroom, or my living room video as well. That's pretty much it. So thank you guys again. Be sure to enter that giveaway. I am super excited to be giving away a gift card. I'll be sure to announce the winner for the gift card 2 weeks from now. So be on the lookout for that. It'll be right here on this YouTube channel in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.